What is up? I hope all is well with you. So, this is a reading strictly like from your person, like what this person wants to kind of get off their chest. Um, so, this is obviously someone from your past. I feel like there's a lot of good memories that you shared with this person, but there's also a ton of really bad memories that you have when you reflect on this person. It could be a Libra, a Leo, a Aries, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. But I just feel like this person really suppressed a lot of their thoughts, emotions. They just really didn't say much when it came to how they felt about you or the connection that you guys were sharing with each other. I feel like they often find themselves wondering, like, are you truly content and happy without them? You could have lived with this person. I feel like they gave you the impression like maybe they just wanted to be friends. They could have ghosted you because they had like a real poor lack of focus. Like they didn't put any effort or anything into the connection that you shared with them. They just kind of left you to carry the stress, you know, the entire relationship was basically carried by you, so it was one-sided. I feel like again they held on to a lot of their emotions and thoughts. They kept you stuck as well, where you were not sure what to do, because if I don't say anything to you about how I feel, well, then that means you don't know what I'm thinking or where you stand with me. So now you start this guessing game. It's like a form of narcissism. It's one of the tricks. One of their classic tricks is to kind of, it's like a advanced stage of string along, but in a really manipulative, strategic type of way, where it kind of looks like I'm not saying anything, so you don't know anything. So now we're going to play this guessing game, and you'll kind of go into a rabbit hole emotionally, and it brings out the ugliest sides of you. But getting back to this reading and trying to stay on point here, I feel like this person's energy is all over the place. They really don't know what to think. They know that they can't let go of you. They still love you. They want to try and, I don't know, figure something out, see if they can bring balance. I just feel like this person did a lot of really, really fucked up stuff, and it's bothering them. It has them stuck. You've got the hangman out here twice. I just feel like they're really like wanting to free themselves from this lie where they gave you the impression that maybe they only wanted to be your friend, or maybe they didn't really love you, or they didn't really feel what you were sharing with them that you felt about them. Whatever it is, I just feel like this person wants to clear their own conscience because it's stressing them out. It's wearing them all the way out, that you're single and you look really happy. That has really put them on their back, and in isolation. And I feel like they could maybe be watching you. This could have been someone that maybe was a player, but I feel like they don't have many options anymore, because this is the type of energy that they were in. And I just feel like judgment is being called upon them, where they're having to try and, you know, figure out how to fix this. This shit gives them nightmares. This how they did a earth angel absolutely gives them nightmares. You're someone that is just absolutely high vibrational. You could be an influencer or someone that inspires people, but whatever you do, I just feel like you're focused, and this person is really, really like in distress. I hope this message helps. Until next time, bye.